Ladies and gentlemen, today I am thrilled to take you on an in-depth journey through the captivating city of Zadar, a hidden gem nestled along Croatia's stunning Dalmatian coast. Over the next several minutes, we'll explore Zadar's rich history, vibrant culture, breathtaking architecture, innovative attractions, and its unique position in the modern world. Prepare to discover why this city has fascinated travelers for centuries and continues to enchant visitors today. Let's begin with a glance at Zadar's origins. The city's history dates back over 3,000 years, making it one of the oldest continuously inhabited urban centers along the Adriatic Sea. Originally founded as a Roman settlement, Zadar was known as Iadra. Its strategic location made it a vital hub for trade, military, and cultural exchange. Over the centuries, it witnessed the influence of the Romans, Byzantines, Venetians, Austro-Hungarians, and finally, modern Croatia. This diverse historical tapestry is vividly reflected in its architecture, cultural traditions, and archaeological remains. Moving into the medieval period, Zadar became a significant maritime port within the Venetian Republic. The Venetians contributed to the city's distinctive architectural style, which blends Romanesque, Gothic, and Renaissance elements. One of the most prominent structures from this era is the Church of St. Donatus, an imposing 9th-century basilica that remains one of the city's most iconic symbols. Its circular shape and intricate stonework exemplify early medieval ecclesiastical architecture, and it continues to host concerts and cultural events today. Another architectural marvel is the Cathedral of St. Anastasia, which dominates the skyline and stands as a testament to Zadar's religious and cultural history. Built between the 12th and 17th centuries, it showcases a blend of Romanesque and Gothic styles, with a stunning bell tower offering panoramic views of the city and the sea. Nearby, the ancient Roman Forum, with its well-preserved ruins, provides insight into Zadar's significance during Roman times, serving as a bustling center of civic life. Now, let's delve into Zadar's unique artistic and cultural traditions. The city has long been a hub for musicians, poets, and artisans. Its vibrant street life is alive with local markets, where vendors sell fresh seafood, olive oils, and handcrafted goods. The traditional Dalmatian music, characterized by lively tamburica ensembles, echoes through narrow alleyways, inviting both locals and visitors to participate in lively dance and song. One of the most innovative features of Zadar is its modern art installations that seamlessly blend history with contemporary creativity. The sea organ, designed by architect Nikola Basic, is a prime example. This extraordinary instrument utilizes the natural movement of the sea to produce haunting melodies through a series of underwater pipes and resonators embedded in the shoreline. As waves gently roll in, they create harmonious sounds that change with the weather, offering a mesmerizing auditory experience that has captivated visitors since its completion in 2005. Adjacent to the sea organ is the Solar Salutation, another masterpiece by Basic. This circular installation is composed of solar-powered glass plates that collect sunlight during the day and glow beautifully at night, creating a stunning visual spectacle. These innovative art pieces exemplify Zadar's commitment to sustainable design and its desire to harmonize tradition with modernity. Beyond its artistic attractions, Zadar boasts a warm Mediterranean climate that fosters outdoor living and tourism. The city's beaches, such as Kalaver and Boric, are popular spots for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. Crystal clear waters, scenic promenades, and vibrant cafes lining the coast make Zadar a perfect destination for relaxation and socializing. Zadar's culinary scene is equally impressive, combining fresh seafood caught daily from the Adriatic with locally grown produce. Traditional dishes like black risotto, grilled sardines, and octopus salad showcase the region's flavors. Local wine and rakicha, a fruit brandy, complement the meals, offering a taste of Dalmatian hospitality and tradition. The city also hosts numerous festivals and events throughout the year that celebrate its heritage and contemporary culture. The Zadar Summer Festival features concerts, theatrical performances, and art exhibitions that attract visitors from around the world. The Feast of Saint Donatus, held annually in August, honors the city's patron saint and includes religious processions, music, and communal celebrations that highlight Zadar's enduring spiritual roots. Turning to the natural surroundings, Zadar is an excellent base for exploring nearby islands and national parks. The Cornati archipelago, with its rugged islands and pristine waters, offers excellent sailing and diving opportunities. The Plitvice Lakes National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its cascading lakes and lush forests, is within a few hours' drive, providing an extraordinary experience for nature enthusiasts. In terms of modern development, Zadar has embraced sustainable tourism and smart city initiatives. Efforts to preserve its historic sites while accommodating growth have resulted in a harmonious blend of old and new. The city's infrastructure supports eco-friendly transportation, including bike-sharing programs and electric vehicle charging stations, aligning with global trends towards sustainability. Zadar's strategic location also makes it a vital transportation hub. Its port accommodates ferries, cruise ships, and cargo vessels, fostering economic growth and cultural exchange. The Zadar Airport provides connections to major European cities, making it accessible for international visitors eager to explore Croatia's diverse landscapes.